Hello, and welcome to the IT8500 Plus remote control tutorial. The goal of this video is to teach you the ins and outs of the IT8500 Plus remote to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split up into 3 different parts. To start, we're going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Afterward, we will go over the menu to start an auto program, then customize a massage using the different features of the chair. And lastly, we will show you how to pair your Bluetooth device to your IT8500 Plus. Let's begin by turning on the chair and powering up the remote. Turn on the main power switch on the back of the chair. It will light up when it is on. Next, press the red power button below the display screen on the remote. The chair is now fully on and awaiting for your next command. To the right of the power button, we have the up and down adjustment button. These buttons are used to adjust the shoulder position just after the body scan. They are also used to set the back mechanism positions and the manual point in partial settings. Below the power button, we have the home button. Pressing this button will bring up the main menu home screen where most of the chair's functions are located. We will return to this in part 2 of the video. Next is the auto program button. When pressed, this brings up a list of 7 automated programs that you can use with the start of a button. There is Sports Refresh, Extension, Rest and Sleep, Working Relief, Neck and Shoulder, Waist and Spine, and Demo. In the center, you have the Directional Pad and the OK Button. This will help you navigate through the menu, and the OK Button allows you to confirm a selection. While in a program with the in-use screen showing, you can use the up and down directional buttons to adjust the mechanism speed and the left and right buttons to change the airbag intensity. At the bottom left of the directional pad, we have the heat button. This allows you to quickly turn the lumbar heat on and off. To the right of that, we have the airbag button. When pressed, this brings you to the menu where you can adjust the section and intensity of the airbags. The next buttons are the foot roller button along with the footrest and backrest adjustment buttons. The foot roller button lets you turn the footrest massage on and off. The footrest adjustment buttons, when holding down, allows you to raise and lower the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just the same. This allows the chair backrest to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. Now let's walk you through the menu. Let's press the home button. On the screen, you'll see 7 different menu options: Auto, Manual, Airbag, Heat, Time, Sounds, and Settings. We're going to start from the top and work our way down the list. The first option is Auto. This brings up the Auto Program menu that we saw when we pushed the Auto button earlier. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best for you, or varying them based on how you feel that day. Going back to the main home menu, navigate down and select Manual. This will bring up the manual menu displaying 6 different options you can adjust: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, Roller, Zero, and Sway. Let's select Mode. There are different techniques of back massage that this chair offers. As you can see, there are 5 options: kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, and sink. Try each of them out and see which one you enjoy the most. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select Part. Here we have 3 options: whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, this will set the rollers to utilize the entire S track in the massage chair. That is from your neck down to your lower lumbar. For a more focused massage, select partial. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 by 8 inch section where they currently are on the S track. For a targeted area, select the point option, and going back to the in-use screen, use the up and down adjustment buttons to move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the S track. Returning back to the manual menu, there are 4 more settings to adjust. To change the width of the rollers, select Width and you will see 3 options: a wide, medium, and narrow. If you want to change the speed of the rollers on the S track, you can adjust those settings in the speed on the menu. Here we have 6 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 6 being fast. To change the speed of the rollers in the foot massage, Select roller and choose from any of the available speed options, 1, 2, 3, and off, 1 being slowest and 3 being fast. Now to bring the chair into a zero gravity position. Select 0 in the manual menu. Here you can simply turn the zero gravity features on or off. Lastly is sway. To change the speed of the swaying motion in the chair seat, select sway from the manual menu and choose from any of the available speed options, 1, 2, 3, and off, 1 being slowest and 3 being fast. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual menu, let's return to the main home menu and continue going down the menu options. Once back at the main menu, navigate down to the airbag controls. This will allow you to adjust the airbag controls to get a great compression massage. After you select airbag, you will see 2 options. These are part and force. Select part. This will allow you to choose between 5 different options: full, arm and shoulder, leg and foot, neck and back, and buttocks. Using the directional pad, choose an option and press OK. Once selected, you can change the intensity by using force. This will show 6 different options, 1 through 5, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want them off, simply select off and they will be turned off entirely. With the airbag set to your desired intensity, let's bring the heat. Back in the main menu, select heat. Here you will be able to turn the lumbar heat on or off. Note that the heat will take a few minutes to get warm. Once the desired settings for lumbar heat and airbags are selected, there are just a couple more options to fully customize your massage. Back in the main menu, select time. Here you will see 3 options: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. This is where to come if you want to add more time to your massage session. Also, keep this setting in mind when you create your own custom massage. And lastly, to better enhance your massage, select sounds back in the main menu. Here you will see 10 different nature sound options: white noise, ocean surf, crickets, rain, nature, airplane, car ride, fireplace, thunderstorm, and windy night. To change the volume, navigate down and select volume. There are 5 options, 1 through 5, 1 which is the quietest and 5 which is the loudest. To turn off the voice from the demo auto program, navigate down to demo voice within the sound settings and select on or off. Now let's head back to the main menu to explore our last menu option, which is settings. Select settings. Here is where you'll see language, Bluetooth, and beep. This chair has 2 different language settings to choose from: Chinese and English. Next is Bluetooth. You can turn on the Bluetooth setting on or off. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. To pair your Android or Apple device, we will be going over that in part 3 of this video. Keep in mind, Bluetooth also must be set to the on position for nature sounds to work. Last but not least in the settings menu is beep. Here you can turn on or off the beep sound effect on the remote. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and even more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure the Bluetooth device is enabled in the settings menu on the IT8500 Plus remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth enabled massage chair around you. Select IT8500 Plus in the available device section on your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Infinity IT8500 Plus remote control, you can now fully enjoy your IT8500 Plus and truly maximize your massage therapy. Enjoy your chair and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.